So let's start by taking in a deep, slow breath and focus all of your attention on grounding and connecting. Place your awareness on your Earth Star and Sun Star chakra with the intent to realign and have them be in the exact right location that is in your highest good and deepest well-being. Use the power and the energy of the Earth Star connection to go deeper and deeper and deeper through all the layers of the earth, tapping into that crystal energy in the belly of Mother Earth. Opening up that connection to the column of light that is moving from the crystal center of the earth, moving through the Earth Star into the base of your spine, moving upward through all the different energy centers, all the way up to the top of your head, and connecting into the Sun Star. And just take a couple of deep inhalations with the intent to pull in the Earth's energy through the body, connecting the Earth with the Earth Star into the body, up to the crown, into the Sun Star. And every breath you take is amplifying, fortifying that column of light inside of you and all around you as you continue to take those deep inhalations. Notice how the column of light is expanding beyond your body. Take another deep, slow breath in, moving from the center of the earth all the way up through the body into the Sun Star chakra, and set your intention to connect to the great central sun and ask the great central sun to connect with you. Visualize this column of light is now connecting the great central sun with the energy of the earth. And notice that you are the living conduit in between this cosmic energy and the earth's energy. Allowing that energy to join in your heart space and focus all of your attention on breathing into the heart, pulling it in to the deepest core of your heart center. And every breath is expanding that energy from the center of your heart into your auric field. And notice the connection, that stream of crystal energy that is moving from the earth into the body. And make your connection with a second pathway that is going from the body into the earth. And this is what we call our energetic compost bucket. A place where you can discharge any excess energy or electricity in the body, anything that is ready to be released from a deep cell level. So just take a deep breath in, pulling in the energy from the earth allowing that magical, intelligent energy to move through the body, through your energy field. And focus on releasing, letting go anything that is not in resonance with unconditional love, deep compassion, and just send it into the earth for healing, for transformation. And set your intention to soothe and calm your nervous system as you take those deep inhalations in, imagining working with the nerve endings. And it's almost as if that crystal energy is placing a protective coat, a protective coating, a protective layer around the nerve endings, so that you feel less stressed, less sensitive, and able to handle more of the energy that is coming into your awareness from other circumstances. So take a couple of deep inhalations with the intent to support the nervous system, the vagus nerve. Continue to take those deep inhalations, pulling up that crystal healing energy through the earth star, base of the spine, the sacral, the solar plexus, the heart, the throat, the third eye, and the crown, and simultaneously showering your nervous system with this beautiful healing and supportive energy. Open up the line of communication with the vagus nerve and ask the vagus nerve to relax, to open up to this beautiful healing energy that is coming from the earth. Just imagine the vagus nerve relaxing and returning to its natural state, taking away the tension, taking away any contraction. And now is a good moment to reclaim 100% responsibility for your own energy. This includes the intake of energy and discharging of the energy into the earth, into your own personal compost bucket. You can call in your energetic support team to help you with this. Ask them to place a bubble of healing light around you. Ask them to infuse this bubble with the violet flame energy of healing and transformation, of protection. And also activate your 4 circles: circle of love, circle of light, circle of protection, circle of reflection, circle of love, circle of light, circle of protection, circle of reflection.